How you doing, John?
I'm good, man. How you doing?
I am great. It's been a long week here at SharePoint Fest. This is my favorite way to end the year. And we thought we'd bring a couple of bits of Power BI news to the audience there at SharePoint Fest.
Yeah, it's been a pretty busy month. We've got an awful lot of new stuff. We've got that new ribbon in the desktop. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, that sort of brings more of the worlds that we like to play in, the Office 365 world and the Power BI worlds together. So what we're talking about here is in the November desktop update, if you go under File Options and go into the Preview features, you can light up the new Power BI ribbon, which is actually the Office ribbon.
It is the Office ribbon. I mean, it's not like the Office ribbon. It is the same code set, which means we'll be right in line with what Office is doing moving forward.
Yeah, so lots of great stuff coming in under there. It brings in things like the Office thesaurus and things like that we are now starting to see light up in a lot of the AI functionality that Power BI is bringing to the table. So this is a big update. There's a lot of stuff in the November update, and we are expecting any time now to see a December update as well.
It would be nice, but because we're impatient.
Yes, so even more stuff, so check out bifocal.show, our podcast, and you'll catch up on the December news when that comes out here shortly for Power BI Desktop.
Absolutely, and we got another big blog post that came out. We're talking about the future of Azure Analysis Services and how that relates into Power BI too.
Yeah, they were unreasonably clear. This is not a normal thing for Microsoft to be this clear with a future direction about a product.
Yeah, we basically, if you're using Power BI Premium, in the not too distant future, there's not really going to be any reason for you to use Azure Analysis Services anymore. So if anybody was confused about that discrepancy, be confused no more. They're very, very clear about where we're moving forward. That is going to be a superset of Azure Analysis Services, and if you're a high-end enterprise BI, that's where you're going to go at. So it's nice to see.
Power BI is starting to use the word superset a lot, so we see that with Azure Analysis Services. Power BI is that, and then on top of it, SSRS, Power BI Report Server is the superset for that. So lots of great stuff. So come out and see us in DC, where we'll also be doing our workshop, which is everything you want to know about Power BI, but we're afraid to ask.
You won't have to ask. Yeah.